So guys, in today's video, we're finally upgrading the exhaust on our 2017 STI project car. We're gonna be installing this SPT STI exhaust I scored for 200 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. This is like a $1,200 exhaust. We're gonna be upgrading our mufflers and our pipe from our downpipe back. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into the car and get this exhaust on. I'm super excited to hear what it's gonna sound like. So guys, this is what the factory exhaust sounds like on the STI. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not the greatest either. It could be better. So guys, this is the install kit for the SPT exhaust from Subaru. It comes with new fasteners, new gaskets, and hardware, and install instructions, it appears. I believe this is the part number right here for those of you interested. Here is the new SPT exhaust all laid out. Once we get the factory exhaust off, we'll lay it out beside so you can compare and contrast at the size difference in the diameter difference of the exhaust piping and how the mufflers are configured. All right guys, we'll start by getting our factory mufflers out of the way. 14 mil fasteners. The benefits of living in the rust-free South. All right, one muffler is dislodged. We'll get up here with our Lyle hanger pliers. Get our mufflers out of our hangers. Got one more back on the back side there. And our other side. All right, now we'll disconnect the connection here between the cat or the downpipe and the mid pipe. $14 on the bolt side, $12 on the nut side. And we'll go back and knock our hanger loose and remove this pipe. Now we got our whole exhaust out, we'll compare the two and go ahead and install the new one. All right guys, factory exhaust is completely off. We can get a rundown of it, compare it to the SPT exhaust. Much larger diameter pipes, smaller mufflers, two pipes through the muffler to two tips. We got tiny little pipes coming into much bigger mufflers on the standard STI exhaust. And yeah, this is definitely got to be a big flow upgrade and likely a little bit louder too. Hopefully not too loud and hopefully doesn't drone. Let's go ahead and get this new exhaust on here and wrap this project up. Let's go ahead and feed the new rear pipe into place. Get it hung up in the hanger. Normally I can just push these back on, but my hand is injured at the moment. So I got the glove on. which is making things more difficult. But so is life. We can use our remover pliers to install, and we could. So got that hanger all set. We'll go up and put our new gasket and bolt back up to the cat pipe. Here's our new gasket, 44022AA123. Although our old one doesn't look horrible, but we've got it, we might as well use it. Slide it on like so. Swing our pipe up into position. Grab our fasteners and drop them on the ground. Not a big fan of these exhaust spring bolts. Any of you longtime viewers remember that video where I got smacked in the head with one? If I can find the clip, which I probably can't, I'll put it in. I think I even made a GIF out of it, but yeah, one shot off and bonked me right on top of the head. It was pretty funny. And looks like we're lined up. It's really nice working on stuff that's not rusty, crusty junk. All right, so I've got new gasket. We've got all new nuts and bolts that came in the install kit. Now we gotta sling our new mufflers up into the hangers, put those new gaskets in place, and bolt it together, and we are done. Just that quick and simple. Throw our new gasket in there and slide up into place. Throw our bolts and nuts on here temporarily. We'll get the other side up into place before we tighten everything down. Here we go. Put our new gasket. And into place. New fasteners. And the nuts. All right, everything looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and tighten this stuff up. right, guys. That should be us. All right, guys, there you go. New exhaust is installed. I heard online people complaining about the fitment, that there was a huge gap between the tailpipes and the rear bumper, but I don't think it's that bad. It's about 2 fingers. So maybe they didn't have it supported when they tightened up the bolts. I'm not sure. All right, guys, so now for the moment we've been waiting for. What does this SPT exhaust sound like? Honestly, not that much louder than the stock exhaust at idle, but I'll let the car warm up, and once it's warmed up, we'll give it some revs. All right, guys, here we go, a couple revs. Yeah, that definitely sounds a lot cooler. So guys, that'll do it for the video on this SPT STI exhaust install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next one.